Today I'm going to review this STANLEY Clamping Mitre Box with a saw. This is what it looks like when you first get it. It's got the paper wrapped around it, gives you some instructions, gives you examples on pretty much how to use it. And this is held in place with this little thing here, and it was really easy to pull out. So when you pull that out, it pretty much releases everything, and it comes with these two little things here, and I'll show you in just a second what those are used for. So this does come with two cam-shaped twist pins, and what these are used for is, now that I've got the wood in here, I can put one on this side, and then I can put one here. Actually, that's a little too close, but I can put it here. And what that'll do is it'll keep my wood from slipping back and forth as I'm cutting it. And once you have the wood in here and it's sturdy, then all you have to do is choose your desired angle. This comes with a 90 degree, 45 degree, or 22.5 degree angle. Once you've got that, so let's say I wanted to cut it at this angle, so you just put your saw in there and then you just start sawing. And it really is that easy. This is super easy to use for people like me who, I don't have a lot of carpentry skills. Measuring is not always my best skill, so this makes it super easy for me to get the angles I want when I'm making projects, birdhouses, different things like that.